HobbyKidsTV.
Hey Hobby Kids, it's Hobby Mac and I'm here with Hobby Tiger and Hobby Spider. Today we're going to be doing an awesome toy review. Are you Hobby Kids ready for this awesome toy?
Yeah!
There it is!
Oh, it's so big and it's so awesome.
Super huge shout out to Jack's Pacific. They're the ones that provided us with this super cool, super awesome toy. Thank you guys so much. It smashes, it flips, it spins. It's an XPV, an extreme performance vehicle.
It has a red skull symbol on the truck.
Sweet, let's look at the back of the box.
Hulk smash!
Here on the back of the box, you can see that it smashes through obstacles with ease. You can spin it, you can flip it, you can drive and smash. This XPV is gonna be epic! This Hulk's good for ages 4+. Let's take it out of the box and check it out, Hobby Kids! Here's the lowdown on the Hulk Smash remote control. When you take it out of the box, this arm here is not attached, so you just slide it right in and it attaches right up. It does come with 6 AA batteries already in the vehicle, but you do need 2 more batteries, AA, for the remote control. What's very cool about this remote is that it's super easy to use. If you want to go forward, you press it forward. If you press the remote backwards, it makes Hulk go crazy and spin. If you hold this down, it makes Hulk spin for 10 seconds. And if you hold it down, it really gets Hulk spinning. All you have to do is turn the remote control on, turn the car on, and we're ready for smashing. Let's get smashing, Hobby Kids. What do you think?
That's awesome.
Now make him go forward. Watch, put yourself up. So we decided the Hulk needed something to smash. So we got the Teen Titans Go T-Tower. Oh no, I do not agree with this decision. Hulk smash! This is a bad idea. Hulk smash!
Sorry, Sabo. Let's go home.
Hulk smash friends! Ha ha ha!
No, big guy. I don't think that's a good idea.
Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha!
Thanks, Jack's Pacific, for this awesome Hulk toy.
Parents, subscribe for the world's best shows with learning fun. And don't forget, you can press the little info button in the top right corner to keep the hobby fun going. You don't want to miss another episode, so come on, press that button now.